Hi, my name is Danya and I'm the Academic Community Manager at OKTOPI. I'm going to show you how to navigate through OKTOPI from a student point of view. Once you've created an account and logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. And this dashboard will populate with content as soon as you've enrolled in a class. If you have not yet enrolled in any class, you can go to Explore Classes and browse through the classes there and enroll in the one you like. However, if you have already been invited by your educator and you have enrolled, you will see your dashboard populating with content as you are completing this class. You will be able to click on the calendar date and go to a specific date to see what you have scheduled. If you have a live session that is scheduled and it is about to begin, you can always click on Join Meeting Now and directly Zoom with this educator on the platform without leaving the space. If you would like to see material that has been assigned on previous days, you will be able to click on your calendar, go on the specific date, and see what resource you have assigned for that date. You may open the resource and look at the content inside, and if you would like to attach or comment, click on Attach and Comment. You will be able to submit and add any file that is required and discuss with your educator around the specific resource through text. You may send a voice note or even attach anything that is needed. You will be able to see the objectives pertaining to the specific resource by clicking on objectives and understanding what it is you will achieve if you complete this resource. You may also leave a rating for your educator to know if you enjoyed the lesson and if you understood it. If you have finished the resource, simply click Mark as done. The dashboard also has other features such as a bulletin board where you will be notified of any new notifications going on in the school. You can interact with your educator outside the academic space by looking at the stories the educator has left, if they have left any, or you may add your own story by clicking Add Story, selecting the class you would like to share the story to, and uploading anything you would like. It will go under the My Stories section where it will be approved or rejected by the educator. You may filter the dashboard according to all the classes you're enrolled in or only specific ones. If you would like to go to the class, you can click on the classes icon on the left side of the page. You will see the classes that you have enrolled in. If you are enrolled in an open class, you will see the materials accordingly in the student library because they do not have a date and time. You may chat and interact with your educator and classmates by clicking on the chat button and having a discussion with them easily. If you would like to see a class that you are enrolled in that is scheduled, you will be able to know this by looking at the specific date and time. You will see the resources according to each date and time scheduled, and you may always open the resource and attach and comment anything necessary. If you would like to also discuss with your educator and classmates, you may do so by clicking on the chat button. At OKTOPI, we want students to feel heard and be able to communicate with their educators in different ways. Therefore, we have an emoji icon on the left side of the page where you will be able to click it and actually choose what you are feeling that day, and your educator will know it. You may also use our messaging system where you can chat with different educators or individuals in this school. The notification icon on the left side of the page will notify you of any notifications going on in your school, similar to the bulletin board on your dashboard, and you will be able to change the language of the dashboard and the entire platform according to your preferred language by choosing English or Arabic.